You guys won't believe this.
You guys won't believe this.
Oh yeah, and first time it didn't go very well.
What's this look inspired by? Jigsaw? Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing, is this kind of a challenge video? I don't know. But I'm joined by my little niece. What's your name?
Florence.
Florence. And she wants to do my makeup because, tell them about makeup. Do you love it?
I love it, and first time it didn't go very well.
So last time we filmed it, I ended up with a Hitler style tash, which we didn't think was appropriate. So we thought, she's sleeping over again, we'll refilm it, and then you can, you know, you've had a practice run. So do you want to tell the viewers anything about yourself?
Well,
how old you are and everything?
I'm 5 now. When I did the West video, I was 4. So now I'm 5, and it was a fun day when I did that, and I didn't on the West video. I didn't even. It wasn't a good job because I didn't.
Don't be so hard on yourself. You still did well.
And let's get stuck.
Well, now.
Cheeks.
Yeah.
So I'm going to open it up.
Okay.
And even the
Brush.
This is the big brush.
I use that for my bronzer. That's why it's brown.
It's white and gold.
Okay.
So, and then I'm doing this one.
Oh, show the camera.
I'm doing this one.
God, you have watched a lot of makeup videos, haven't you? You know what to do. Probably best to close my eyes, aren't I? Oh, you know what you're doing. How do you know what you're doing?
Because
You know. Right.
it's going on your lips
Okay, go on then.
and your cheeks.
Oh, creative.
I'm doing.
Oh, is it? Oh. Have I got big lips or small lips?
Small lips.
Oh. Oh. You're very, oh, you got a firm hand. Firm touch. What's this look inspired by? Jigsaw?
It's very, very rosy.
Oh, is the rosy look in this year? Is it like the look for the season?
I know how to do it.
Is this what dollies have?
No. Some dollies do. But I'm not.
Is that how you imagined it looking?
Yeah.
Well, they're kind of even. That's good. What's next?
The eyeshadow.
Okay. Show them what you're going to use then. She's gone for the expensive palette, which we're fine with.
Well, this palette, nice and soft.
Yeah, it should be soft for £50. Use sparingly. You've got, oh wow. It's very pigmented, Florence. Do you know what that means? Oh God. You're going to have to find out.
Leave this one. But
Huh?
she can't see right now because I'm doing it on.
Is it a surprise?
Yeah.
And what's this look called? Is it smoky look? Is it a bright look?
Smoky.
Smoky.
Now you can open your eyes now.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
I'll look at you first. That doesn't look like a good look.
Is this me? Pure.
Oh, smoky eye.
Middle brush. And this is one of these.
Oh,
And I'm using this one.
I love your dress.
And it's a sparkly one. And my dress is this because it's
You like sparkly things, don't you?
Yeah, it's a new one.
A new dress?
Yeah.
What animal is on your dress?
A reindeer.
A reindeer.
Because they were free.
Very seasonal.
I'm gonna put some.
Is it showing up?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It smells nice. Oh no, it's your nail varnish I can smell. We painted Florence's nails with berry nail varnish, didn't we?
Yeah, today.
Okay. Stuff that goes on here.
Lipstick.
Whipstick!
This one.
So we've gone for a liquid lip so it won't budge. Fabulous. Right.
Looks good on you.
I feel pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh, yeah. Get it on thick, girl. Oh, look at my teeth. Oh, God.
So good. Do this.
That'll make all the difference. Oh, I'm feeling myself. I'm going to do your makeup next.
Hi.
Revenge. It's the better one, is it, of the two? Is it nice?
Yeah.
Feels good. Oh, that was quick.
That would have gone work.
Pardon?
That would have gone work. I'm using these.
Florence, stop picking all the expensive. Show them what you've got. The limited edition. It's fine. Can't get them anymore. It's all
Can
right.
you open this?
Yeah, of course I can open it. Ka-ching! It's very precious.
What is this?
It's real gold. It's a true story. Right, ready? Go steady there. I was going on the eyes. Of course it is. Gosh. You're feeling very like autumnal with your colour choices.
It's a good colour.
Does it suit me?
Yeah. You look good in the camera.
Huh?
You look good in the camera.
Do I? Not in real life? Do I look better on camera or in here? It's a bit dramatic in real life.
What is this?
That is a liquid highlight.
Where does it go on?
You put it wherever you want.
But how would we do?
What do you mean, what? What? What's up to your
I
chair?
want to put it on your breast.
On my what?
Breast.
Breast?
Breast.
Oh! I thought you meant boobies! There's your liquid glow, because we need more glow.
On your chin.
Oh gosh. So what's the purpose of this then? Oh god. So what is this going to add to the look?
Good.
Good.
Now.
Gonna blend it?
Yeah, but we need this to blend it.
Okay, okay.
Sponge.
Sponge. I feel like you're going to accentuate my double chin, Florence, which is not what I want.
You can on the top of your.
So is this look worked out the way you wanted it to?
Yes.
Is this what you had in mind?
And what are these scissors for?
Scissors? You don't need those.
Well, what are they for?
Cutting eyelashes. Cutting off hair of bad makeup artists.
I need some eyebrow thingies on your eyebrows.
What do you need?
Some eyebrow things.
What's eyebrow things?
And is it black?
It's not black, it's brown. Not that it matters, because we're going for a dramatic look at the minute, aren't we? Ready? Oh god. Have you ever done eyebrows before?
You can't even see it.
Oh, I think you can. Keep going.
You can't.
So, have you done eyebrows before?
No.
No. I'm in safe hands then. Oh, Pluminel.
You need a bigger eyebrow.
You're being mean to me. I think you're doing this on purpose.
Nice.
Is it because I'm too pretty and you think, oh, I've just got to make her uglier because, you know,
Nice.
I'm jealous of that face? Oh, this feels very wrong. Surely we're done now.
No.
I feel... Ta-da! Right, you're going to tell them what you've done and...
So, I did this for her because I think it looks nice, but I need to put that bit out.
So, do you regret the eyebrow?
No.
Oh, no regrets.
I did this for her because I see it's being funny right now.
Oh, sorry, I didn't realise we were being serious. Sorry, I really misread this makeup look. Carry on.
Makeup is a fun thing, and then these are big ones to wipe them off, but we're not going to wipe it off.
We're not going to wipe it off.
No, we're going to go to the park and it's going to stay on.
Really? Can I do your makeup like this to go to the park?
No.
Why not?
You can do my makeup.
I feel like I'm being set up here then, because if you don't think it's good enough to wear to the park, then surely this is not a good look. Do you promise me that all the kids are wearing this like makeup look? Yeah? Is this a very now makeup look? I feel like I look like a Disney villain.
No.
You sure?
No.
Which Disney princess do I look like with this makeup on them?
Cinderella.
The ugly sister, I think I look like.
Cinderella.
Cinderella. If you think I look like Cinderella, leave a big thumbs up and leave us some comments. I personally feel
subscribe and read the channel and click the bells.
How do you know that? Is that when you watch your videos? See, she said subscribe, click the bell and leave a thumbs up.
Yeah, because I know that because they do it on my channel.
Oh, so if you liked this makeup look and you'd like to see more creations from the little Florence, the makeup artist, then let us know down below. Let us know what you think of the look, how she could improve, what you think she does better than what. And we'll see you in our next video. Like and subscribe. Flipping out. Have you got anything else to say before we say goodbye? Say bye.
It was a fun day, so goodbye.